Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to check both IMEI numbers of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. So let's start with the code. We have to open the phone dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the first IMEI number and also, after scrolling, the second one. So let me show you another way. By using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check both IMEI numbers in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.